Hey guys, we're going to do a little walkthrough or tutorial on how to do a custom gang sheet on my website, bettercallmallcraftshop.com. You'll first go to custom printing. You're going to have a couple different options. Check them out. Today we're going to focus on the custom UV DTF gang sheet. So when you open the listing, there's a bunch of important things to read there in the description. You're going to scroll down and you don't really have to worry about what size you want to use at this time. You can kind of click on those to see your price points, but then go ahead and click build a gang sheet and it's going to take you to the welcome screen. You're going to see multiple options. Choose what works best for you. I'm just going to do the to start a new gang sheet, and then over to your left are going to be your options. You can upload an image from your gallery or from your files, and once that loads, you can click on it and it will add it to your gang sheet or your canvas. Size it as you need. You can make it bigger or smaller, and then over on the left side too, you can adjust in inches your width and height. You can change the aspect ratio if you want to stretch it at all. But those are some of the things that you can do with your images that you upload. And you can also use any of our images in the gallery. These are any of our current or discontinued designs. There's going to be a lot of seasonal ones that we don't keep year round, but they still will be here in the gallery. I do have them sorted by pen wraps, motel keychains, 16-ounce tumbler wraps, 20-ounce tumbler wraps, and decals. And you can also use the search feature to search for a specific keyword to find any specific design that you're looking for. And basically we're just working with the canvas that we chose. So 11 by 12 inches is what I have right now. Adding images, like I said, you can size them however you need. This is actually a really cool feature too of our gang sheet builder is, let's say you like this decal but you wish it was in a different color. Over on the left you can click choose image color or change image color, and you can pick virtually any color you want that to be. You can do that with any of the files that you upload, and you can do this with any of the images in the gallery as well. There's also the option to connect your Canva account. If you have designs over in Canva, you should be able to connect your account and bring them over. And then the last tab over on the left is your settings tab. You can kind of play around with those settings. The overlapping images, I definitely would not toggle off. That's a really good one to help you know if any of your images are overlapping or not. And the background warning is really cool too. In case you upload a file that has a white background and you didn't realize it, that warning will go off to let you know. So you can remove it first before submitting your gang sheet. And then the visual aid is just a way to change the color of the background. This won't print like this. It'll always print transparent. But if you were curious to see how your designs looked against a certain color, you can change that visual aid as well. Okay, so let's just go ahead and add a couple more images, and I can show you how to resize your gang sheet if you realize that you need more room than what you initially chose. You've got this drop down menu right here. You can choose any of those sizes, and then you might just have to rearrange your items. They might go off the artboard a little bit. Just make sure you're bringing them back in and arrange them as you need. And same thing too, you can play around with the image color as well. I think that would be a fun one to do with those leopard spots. Something else that you can do with the gang sheet builder is you can add your own text. So if you didn't design any outside of the gang sheet builder, you can add your own text under the home button. I'm trying to find it here. There it is. So it'll just default say gang sheet, but you can change it to say whatever you want. There are going to be different color options you can choose from. You can add a stroke to the outside of your text. You can change the font. So you can add text that way too, which is pretty cool. And then one thing that you want to make note of too is if you have a bunch of extra space on your gang sheet, let's say this was all the images that I needed to print, down at the bottom there's still a good amount of room, so might as well fill it up. You're paying for the area with a gang sheet, you're not paying for the amount of decals or images that you put on it. So go through the gallery or go get your logo and print it in different sizes maybe. Fill it up, take advantage of that space. And you can also click Auto Nest. That's going to help kind of arrange it for you too. And you might be able to fit some extra images in your gang sheet that way. That's totally optional if you want to click that or not. It's up there in the top right corner. But once you have everything arranged the way you like it, then you're going to click Save and Add to Cart. It's going to go over a couple rules for you. Make sure you agree to those and double check everything. If by chance you can't remember, oh, did I put something on there or not, you can go back and click Preview. That's going to show you everything that you have on your gang sheet. If you wanted to change anything, you can still do that before you check out. This takes you right back into the gang sheet builder. Once you're happy with any edits, it's going to go through the confirmation again. Click OK, and then you are going to submit and check out. I hope this helps. Please comment with any questions, and I look forward to printing gang sheets for you.